Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you that how you can remove the apps from your home screen of your iPhone. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to turn on our iPhone, and after that we have to tap on the screen, and after long press, after tapping on it, as you can see, you will be able to get these options. The icons will be moving like that, and you will get the minus option here. So now you have to decide that which app you want to remove from your home screen. For example, I want to remove this clock here, so we have to click on this remove from home screen. I'm going to click on this remove from home screen. If you want to delete any kind of app, simply you have to click on the minus. If you want to delete any kind of app, simply you have to click on the minus, and after clicking on the minus, simply we have to click on the delete app, and that app will be deleted. So in this way you can remove the apps from your home screen on iPhone. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.